Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off and show you the best way to do it. First thing you want to do is go ahead and take all the straps off of it. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. There's a few of these, and that's right there, just a clip, and you undo it. Then you're in the back here, you gotta undo those two clips and the straps there. All the straps are unclipped, so now what I'm going to do is make sure that on each corner I lift it up, because when I go on the roof I want to be able to pull it and be able to fold it up on top. Came up the ladder there, and I'm using these pads here. They got a little bit of weight to them to make sure it doesn't blow away. But here's the cover. I'm going to go this side up first and pull on it, bring it up to the top. I gotta go ahead and do the other side like that. All right, each corner in the front got stuck, so I had to go ahead and come down and unstick it. And so now I gotta go back up and fold the other part over. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. Camera's got too hot. So this is the front, and it's folded under. And then I'm gonna go ahead from the back here, roll it up all the way to the front until I get to the part that goes in the front. So just rolling it up till I get to the front. Just finished up rolling up the cover, and now go ahead and put it into the bag where you see there, nicely stuffed into the bag. And now I got to get this cover down from above the trailer. One way of doing that is just dropping it. And there we go. The trailer is uncovered and we're ready to go. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.